say it. She's got all the power. She can say all the N words right now. We can't kick her out.
Hay momentos
Tito.
en que
Tito, help us.
quisiera
Tito,
mejor
what the fuck? Help!
para arrancarme
Oh
a
my
los
god, she's rolling her R's.
trapos de
We're
mi
gonna die. She's rolling her
pena.
R's. We're gonna
Mal
die.
es verdad, pinche
Toodles!
no me traen,
I need an
porque
order of
eres
toodles.
un pinche idiota.
Why is she moving like
Pero
that?
te amo
She's like a Disney character.
y te deseo
Is this a
She's
lo
like
Disney
those fucked up
mejor
musical?
little
de la
robots,
pinche
you know?
Holy
vida.
shit, I'm in love again.
Pinche borracho, vales verga y lo
Papi,
sabes.
pito.
Oh my god.
Pinche pendejo, ¿por qué? ¿Por qué todavía vive?
Tito, please
What should
come
I
back
shit
soon.
saying?
Should I have?
You really missed a lot, sir.
You missed a lot.
We kind of wish
Oh
you didn't
no.
leave us alone with her, but we had to deal with that, so it's okay. We're not even gonna tell you what happened because it's funnier like that.
People died. People died. That's what happened in the performance. Stop. I'm sorry, Chino. I love you, Wu-Tang.
Bella.
I'm fading right now.
Bella.
Hey,
And that's
that
why
bitch
I'm
look
happy
like a
I signed the
crack whore.
contract.
That bitch look like a straight crack whore.
Definitely.
I can't say verga in front of the
She's a crack
children, you
whore.
see?
You fucking little crack whore. You nasty little crack
It's a
whore.
bad word. I wouldn't say it. I was saying it to the Chino.
You little cochina, huh?
Bella,
You little
if I
fucking
saw you in
cochina.
real life, I would lay you the
Little
fuck
fucking
out because
cochina
I
crack
would think
whore.
you were a crackhead trying to
Little
rob
crackhead
me.
whore.
That's why my kids sing to me.
Bella,
They should see me in an actual
Bella,
mariachi, fucking all black,
see?
with
That's how
my
cracked out she
gold.
is. I
Bella,
mean, listen.
Sorry, my gold
Fucking
blood. It's
crackhead
my
bitch.
gold. Está todo negro.
Hey, Bella. This guy's talking shit
Crackhead.
to you,
Yes.
Bella.
I can't even talk
This
shit to
guy's
you. I just
talking
need you
shit to
to
you.
look in the mirror. Look in the mirror and
Hey,
you'll
is that bitch that
that's my
Florida Coke
joke right
online?
there. You're a
Fucking
fucking
crackhead.
clown. Look at you.
Sunday, I'm a crackhead completely.
Fuck yeah, you're a fucking
Yes,
Dude, when you
agreed.
get to that, you have to sing it for
Agreed.
3 hours. It's mariachi. It's dramatic as fuck.
Yeah, I'm down with that. You know. Hey, it was cracking yesterday though. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, I was cracking yesterday.
I was just being a dumbass.
Hey, I'm not gonna lie though. Your little mustache yesterday was.
Gracias, señor. Dude, yesterday, fucking Tito, we actually
Yesterday, shut
wanted
the
to
fuck up, you
find.
fucking crackhead bitch.
Smoky Tan, what the fuck? Yesterday with a mustache, with a what?
Yesterday with the
Say again?
mustache, you know, because you're a fucking crackhead.
Who's a crackhead?
You don't even know. Shut the fuck up.
People
Please,
can't
bitch.
even do shit on
Crackhead.
live because you know everybody. Now, why are you pissed off? Dude, what the fuck, Tino? That's why I can't teach people. Anyway, thankfully I signed the contract. I start next week if God allows.
Bella.
And I don't scare the children. Yes, sir.
Bella. The fuck out of here. Is that Purdy's face? All right, what did I miss? Was she saying crazy shit? Oh,
She definitely was saying some crazy shit.
Where'd Spooky go? Y'all are wild. All right, it's time for me to get high on my supply. Bam, bam, bam. 24K. What's up? We're gonna do this tomorrow or what?
Hey, Bella. Hey, Bella.
Turn,
Get the
touch,
fuck
turn it
out of here. Bro, classic. Classic.
Too good. You can't make this shit up.
Bro, it's classic. I like the way you kicked me out the other day, though.
I did good.
What do you guys take pictures
Bro, you're like, who's your favorite breeder? I'm like, oh, this, and that. You're like, who? Who's your favorite breeder? I try to say it again. Get the fuck out of here. I'm like, classic. Classic. I'll go fuck.
Wow, this
right?
is funny. That's
I
the
went to
best.
dad's man after. I was like, whatever.
That's how you know you get jumped in the pizza game.
You can't get mad, bro.
Yeah,
Like shit.
Those look pretty
yeah.
cool. Oh, can you get that balloon set?
That's what we doing over here. Funny ass shit.
Hey, but am I right? That's that crack whore.
Yeah. Bella, is this your husband, Bella?
Bella.
Are you her ex? You're her ex. Tim Paulin? All right.
Spray the boom in it.
Oh, it's too much, man. Oh, yeah? I'm still trying to play soccer right now.
Did you get your clothes? Then
No.
let's go.
Somebody's in trouble.
Fuck yeah, I love it.
What's up, man? Where you from?
Right here, Sanger.
Sanger? Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Right down the street.
Hell yeah.
That's what's up.
They're all wild over here. Yeah, I want them to go to bed so I can do that.
Hey, you little
Hell yeah.
what's in that room that you guys still didn't finish?
That's I got the same thing going on right now. I'm gonna have to get off here pretty soon.
Hell yeah. You got all the kids running around?
Hurry up.
Yeah, my kid's in the bath. I'm gonna have to kick it with
Oh,
her
yeah.
for a little bit.
I don't know if they're gonna take baths today or not. But they need to get their ass in fucking jammies already, though. This was running away from me as I fucking speak. Hey, are you taking a bath or what are you gonna do? Get that shit going. Go. Fucking playing around. Come on, I'll get it going for you. Yeah.
Shout out UK.
Nah, you get out of here, you goddamn dog. Your friends are trying to take a bath too. That motherfucker took one yesterday.
Biggie?
Yeah, this motherfucker right here. Yeah.
Let me take a shot.
Smoking Altino.
Oh, that some BMG.
Blackout blinds? I only bought one fucking curtain, so I gotta buy another one because I had the rod.
Oh yeah, everybody in the current.
But for now, I mean.
Fuck. Whoa! Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Over a gram dab yesterday of that food grade. Yeah, that shit was gnarly.
Yeah.
That was,
That was pretty dope.
Oh, yeah, I love watching that guy take dabs, man.
Yeah, Naps is the best.
Yeah, that shit was gnarly as fuck.
Rez, kid, what
Dog
up?
farted. Ugh.
Oh.
This motherfucker needs to go outside. Fucking Frenchies
Yeah, shit.
are the worst dogs.
Really?
Wow, they're like
He's
babies.
unable
Bro.
to join.
Fucking babies. Fucking Frenchies are like fucking babies. Like, what the fuck's wrong with this dog, dude?
What's cracking? You grow?
I used to when I used to live at my dad's house,
Nice, hell yeah.
but now I live in a fucking apartment. You know, there ain't no room for that shit here.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I used to do some nice little outdoors.
Oh hell yeah.
Fucking maybe like 6 8-footers.
Like what?
Like 6 8-foot.
Oh nice.
Yeah, they're nice. The most I got out of a plant was like 4 peas.
Oh sweet.
Yeah, but it wasn't the best shit. Like for some reason, the one that gave me the most wasn't the best, but the one that gave me the least shit, that looks nice. The one that gave me the least was like the best.
Right. That's how it goes.
Fuck it, I was happy with that shit. Because
That's
honestly,
why
the
whenever
one
I
that gave
see
me
high
the least,
yielding, I'm
they
just
look
like,
like
oh,
Gaylord.
it's
Here. She said purple.
nutrient lineup. I like general hydroponics, but there's a bunch of newer stuff out. It's just the
Hell
cheapest.
You gotta separate them.
That's my goal when I buy a house. Get a little room going, you know.
Yeah.
That way I don't have to buy my shit. I don't know. I don't really smoke flower, so it'd probably be for like washing and pressing. But I can't look into that shit for another 3 years because I'm in fucking debt.
There's your girl.
Oh shit, my bitch. My
What do you guys do? Crack whore.
Yeah.
What school district does your
Yeah.
family attend?
Yeah,
I'm hoping it's not LAUSD because goodness gracious.
Florflex is cool.
And I bet your wife, not to be a whore or a vulgar bitch, but I bet your wife has had more dicks than I have for you to call me a crack whore.
Oh hell yeah,
It's
she has. That's
so
why I
rude.
fucked the shit out of her.
That's so sick, yeah. And women take pride in that, and men take
Oh
pride
yeah.
in
Oh
that.
fuck
And I'm
that.
a good Catholic,
Yeah. Ooh,
old
no.
Mexican girl, so
Oh yeah.
old
Hell yeah.
style, old
Hell yeah.
fashioned.
Oh yeah.
So
Fucking little trash.
trash her. I'm
Trash. Fuck right. Shut up.
Is this
I'm
what I
glad
was
I'm not
missing?
your kids or your family's teacher. This is what I was talking to my fucking friends about today. Fuck that shit. We stress out too much as educators for parents to be dumbass bitches like this fool calling an educator a crack whore. Like, and your kids are hearing this shit. Like, wow.
Emerald Harvest is cool too, yeah. It all
Yeah,
works.
hell yeah, bro.
Whatever's gonna work for you.
Anyways.
Some shit, dude.
Where were we at before this fucking dummy interrupted us? Oh yeah. So if I was back today, I would fucking do a room for like washing and pressing. Most definite.
Bro, don't tell me that crackhead teaches kids. That's some bullshit. That's some
Yes.
bullshit. This is why I pay the extra to put my kids in private school, bro. To get fucking no crackheads are
I
there.
taught
No
in
crackheads
private
in
schools.
bro. They don't teach about the critical race shit. There's only 2 genders in private school. You know what I mean? Like,
Yes. You're crazy?
hey, I guarantee you, if I showed her a couple
Hey, don't
shards,
act crazy
bro,
that
that
just
bitch
chip
would
on
do a
no eyebrows.
backflip even if
Oh,
she
yeah.
had a broken back.
Hey, you don't want to be
She
crazy
turned
like
into a
chip on
gymnast.
no eyebrows, baby. Bad. Yeah, because then your eyebrows are gonna fall out like this crazy shit. Yeah, quick.
But we do need good people out there to teach children, though. Our babies are our future. Honestly.
Wow.
You know what they need? You know what they need in school? They need
They
more
need
people
men
like you.
people,
teachers.
positive
They need
role
more.
models.
They need more
Life.
men
You know what they need?
teachers. Is what they
That's
need.
people like
It's
you.
Sunday.
You
I
tell her,
hope
brother.
everyone
We got a
has
Tell
bunch
a
of
her.
these crackheads trying to
time.
teach our kids, bro.
You
The
tell
fuck
her.
out of here with that
What do
bullshit.
you want to teach your kids, though, as a parent and
She
as an
must be a
educator?
teacher in San Francisco, bro.
I am in California, you see.
Yeah.
In LA.
We're close.
That's some bullshit right
Tino,
there.
you invited this crack for?
Whatever. I'm still
The
making
fuck,
7 grand a
dude?
month.
No.
teaching high school anatomy, if God willing
Oh,
allows.
wait.
Bro, that's the kid right there to be sucking the 14-year-old dick for $10 behind the class.
I
and gets
almost got
everybody
hired
¿Quién
as
going.
a
inventó esta
calculus
pinche
instructor, but
perra?
I took the mariachi instructor position to show off my Mexican
Esta
roots, and
pinche
then I was
pendeja no
called a
sabe lo que
crack whore
habla.
by this
Oh,
fucking Mexican-looking
pinche
dude,
idiota,
Latino. I
pendeja,
don't know where
pinche
you're
perra
from.
mal
See?
cogida.
I bet you used
Tu madre, güey. Tu
them
madre
same
está mal
Mexican
cogida,
roots to get
puto.
the cheap price on some dope.
Así dice una maestra que es una pinche puta, güey. ¿Qué respeto tienes? ¿Y eres mexicano?
Ustedes mío grande, people.
Bella.
That bitch is crazy, bro.
I know.
The fuck?
What's up?
Popping a couple of these half packs right now. Just to add
She's
to
like,
the hood. I might have to make two of my kids bunk in one of the bedrooms, bro. Take over one of the rooms for this run.
Oh, shit.
Well, I got my fucking 19-year-old daughter living back here, so she's been helping take care of all this shit too when I'm at work.
That's what's up.
Yeah. Bro, I started this company, right? And he keeps telling me like, Dad, give me $100, pay this credit card bill. I'm gonna get a job. You know what I mean? I'm like, oh, whatever. You know what I mean? I don't want her credit to get fucked up. I'll pay it. And then she's like, just give me a job. You ain't fucking plumber or pipe fitter. I can just give you a job. The fuck? It reminded me of that shit on Step Brothers where the dad's a doctor and he's like, I'm just gonna go into the family business.
Fucking bowl is thick.
Are you taking dabs?
Yeah, look how thick that motherfucker is.
Oh damn. Keeps the heat, huh? Those are nice for like your low temp dabs because it keeps the heat so long.
Yeah.
Oh, fuck,
Yeah, it's like
man.
it's shaped weird too. It's like super thicker in the middle. It takes forever to heat up.
Right. For sure. Fuck.
Let's go.
What do you got running right now?
I'm doing the what do you call it? The green cherry gelato strawberry, the strawberry pheno.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I'm doing S1s and the whole room. I got apple fritter in there, a couple different green crack gelatos.
Oh yeah.
The cherry sodas.
Oh, you know what? I got some shit that's called. Was that cherry soda you got? Was that from Carriage House?
No, I just made that name up.
Oh, really? Someone sent me that shit a while back. That shit says like black cherry soda or some shit.
No, I don't even check the names anymore. I just say fuck it and put Tino in front of it. Let's put Tino's cherry soda. It's WAP cookie green cherries.
Right. Well, and then you say you grow 10 different cherry pies, you could get a pheno that's some way different shit. You know what I mean? Like, and just
Oh yeah.
fucking, you know.
Well, I got cherry pie mixed in fucking all kinds of shit. What the hell's going on over there? You hear that?
They party or what?
Like I took green crack and mixed it to Do-si-do cherry pie.
Nice.
That was the sweet thing by Archives Seed Bank. Right. So I mixed that with the green crack. So then I just took that and I mixed that with fucking everything. And it leaves like a cherry, it leaves like a, you know what I mean? A cherry flavor.
Yeah.
From the green cherries, you know? And fucking shit's fire.
Fuck yeah.
All the green cherries, like the females are garbage. I'm not even gonna lie. Like it's crazy because people would have grew the females and never bred with the males, you know? But I purposely had like a goal set to have the females super small. So everybody grows the females. They're like, you should have never released these. These are the worst. Worst plants ever. Right? Because everybody's just, no, it's big nugs and everything. It's just the plant doesn't stretch. Everybody's expecting a triple 3-time stretch or 2-time stretch. It just doesn't stretch.
Everyone gets like these Mac crosses, bro, and then they expect everything to be a Mac cross. Like fucking triple and fucking flowers.
It just doesn't stretch because the green crack. But the males are huge, right? The males do exact opposite, but they make everything stack. Like my whole goal was to be able to mix it with like a cookie string, something that has a nug here and a nug here and a nug here. You know what I mean? And bring that down and condense that down into a nicer form, a nicer structure.
Yeah.
And fucking with the add frost and flavor, and that's exactly what it does, and it kills it. And I've crossed it with fucking over 100 fucking different crosses now, and it's fire. Multiple males, multiple different males, and you know that's what was I gonna say?
Everything I do that gelato cross with, bro, that I made out of the GMO, everything it touches fucking triples in size and flower. Like, I put some in around like 30 inches or so, thinking like, and I got a good like 10-foot ceiling in that flower room, thinking it'd be fine. Fucking 9 weeks out, bro, those motherfuckers were a foot from the ceiling, fucking 9 feet tall, fucking colas like that. I was like, damn, man, like,
yeah.
But it wants to run like 11 weeks. So that's what I did with the Purple Kush is I'm trying to bring that flower time down and trying to bring the size down a little bit because no one's got the size to run, especially if you're growing in a tent, bro. What are you going to grow? One plant at a time, you know?
Yeah.
Like they get huge.
I got plants like that I got 4-time stretch.
But the terpenes on it is out of control, so I want to keep that, you know, like for sure.
Mix it with something that doesn't stretch. I'm telling you.
That's what I did with the Purple Kush.
It works. I like to take exact opposites. It's like fully green plant, fully purple plant. That way it's easier to find the phenos. If you're looking for a pheno hunting, I want this. Okay, it's easier. If I want looking for a tall plant versus a short plant, and then something that smells, all you got to do is find the one that's taller, shorter, and find the smell, and that's it. Right. And I mean, it's as you're gonna get, but that's just how I like to mix, and I like to bring the best of both worlds together. It's a lot of shit that goes into my selection of what I like to put together, but that's like a lot of what I'm thinking about is just like fixing these fucked up strains and shit that are actually good flower, but they could be.
That's what I'm hoping out of.
Yeah, a little better.
Out of like 250 or so, I'm thinking if I find a good like 30 to breed with, I'm gonna fucking send those off to the fucking breeding room, and the fucking rest of them I'm just gonna. I got a second house here, fucking I could flower at and shit, so take them all over there. That way I could fucking check out the buds when they're fully developed and cured and all that shit too. The breeding moms, you know.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah. You getting ammo and shit ready for all this shit going down, bro?
I'm not gonna talk about that on the live. You know?
Yeah. Hey man, you be getting ready though. Just fucking get ready.
I've been ready.
And shit, so.
Shit. Yeah,
My daughter's
I
old
used to
enough to
make
fucking
I used to
search
make
shit.
all the 80% receivers and shit.
Nice.
I would
Fucking
make
little
the
kids.
Glocks and make the ARs, make an
Nice.
AR-10.
Yeah, yeah. That's
AR-10s where it's at, shooting 308s.
yeah.
That's,
I
you ain't fucking with that.
I know a little bit about those.
Yeah, AR-10's my shit. With the muzzle brake, it's like shooting a fucking 22, but you're shooting 308s. Put a scope on
Yeah.
that bit, it's over. It's
Yeah.
a short range, long range, it's fucking whatever you need.
The last gun me and my grandpa built before he passed away, we built a 7mm with a hairline trigger setup. So it's a bolt action rifle, but it's got 2 triggers. So the first one's a 5-pound pull, and you get on your target and you click it. And that second one's a sniper rifle, so it's got a 1/2-pound pull on that second trigger. It's meant to like get on your target and not fucking have any trigger pull.
All right.
That's like our elk
Oh, yeah.
gun and shit.
Are you getting this? Are you getting this? This guy's crazy.
Me? Me?
No, this guy in the comments. He messaged me in my message thing like hella times. He's like, "Are you getting this?
I'm waiting.
I'm fucking waiting."
Bro, I'll do that. I've been doing weekly giveaways on Saturdays, right? And I told everyone, I was like, all right, so next Saturday, what I'll do is I'll hit the post office. I'll shoot out tracking numbers before I do my live. But I had like 100 fucking plants to plant today. And I had to take my son to his weightlifting for football and shit. So I got on live and was like, hey, I haven't done them yet. I'll send them all out next week with this week's too. And like half of these motherfuckers, like, are you serious? I'm like, oh, it's a giveaway. Like, what the fuck? Like, kick back.
Oh yeah, I'm sure I got hella people mad at me. I'm supposed to mail out their packages last Monday. It's fucking already this Monday.
Right? Bro, but fuck, people don't understand. Like, they do this shit and it's like fucking $100, $200 for all the shipping and shit. It's like, I'm not
I
asking
spent
for
eight
shit,
grand
you know?
last year. I spent $8,000 on shipping last year.
Save them receipts and write that shit off, bro.
It's all recorded in the pirate. It's all recorded in pirate ship. That's how I know. They do a hella big breakdown. They showed me how many packages I mailed to what countries and fucking everything, dude. It's wild.
Nice. Nice.
Yeah, it was crazy.
That's I've been talking to a tax guy about like what shit we can write off now and everything. Colorado will let you take a loss on a brand new business for 3 years in a row. So say we have a $200,000 profit at the end of the year, we can go buy fucking 2 brand new trucks and write that bitch off as a loss and not pay $1 in taxes for 3 years.
Collect, sell, trade. Yeah, that's where I fucked up. I fucking claimed my first year in whatever business. I kept claiming that I was. It's like,
Making
yeah,
money.
fucking profit. I could have been fucking getting fucking fat tax return.
Yeah, you could have bought it. You could have bought a brand new truck and wrote everything off, bro.
Yeah. I got a tax lady now. She fucking she does a good job.
Yeah, I have a CPA that it's like $400, bro, but these motherfuckers know every
It's
loophole
worth
there
it.
is.
It's worth
You know?
it to pay the money.
Yeah. Yeah. I don't pay $1 for gas anymore. I don't give a fuck if gas goes to $9 a gallon. I don't give a fuck because it's all getting written off.
Oh, here comes my kid. Yes. Hmm. What do you want?
My kids make fun of me for this shit. Our dad's on a live stream. You believe that shit? Oh shit. Yeah, couple popping up. The Darlene's. Sage Mesa cookie. What the fuck? shit. That one popped up with no taproot and died. That's all green, so that's true. I'm fucking dumb for doing so many plants, bro. This shit's gonna be so much fucking work. Pop a little huss off.
Got my kid some grapes. Sounds like somebody's
Yeah.
killing the kid next door. Jesus. What's cracking there?
They're busting that ass. I wonder if my neighbors ever felt bad. No! Fuck, it's a bitch to control this room when it's full of plants. It's easy to keep the humidity on point. But what I keep getting these swings, like it'll be 70 degrees one day, and then fuck 2 days later it's snowing. So these crazy humidity swings and shit.
Yeah,
Fucking humidifiers like dying trying to keep up.
I'm going crazy.
Yeah.
That dab got me pretty good. You ever heard of my boy? Gasman Extract?
Nuh-uh.
He's here from Fresno, or
Is
around
that
here.
right? What do you guys
Yeah.
pay for dabs right there? For like some bomb ass white rosin.
It's fucking pretty much the same price across the board. If you want the best shit,
Yeah.
you're paying $160 for 2 grams, bro. And that's how they sell it. They only sell it in 2 grams, and that's how it comes. And that's just across the board out here.
Damn, bro.
Yeah,
Damn.
yeah. I'm gonna start washing. I'm actually gonna team up with him. We've
Buy
been
a
friends
freeze
for a
dryer?
while. But no, he already has all the stuff. I'm just gonna let him start washing my stuff. He actually hit me up when we were at the thing. He's like, "Man, your shit's gonna dump. I've been watching, blah blah." We've been talking about it for a long time, but
Yeah.
I've been trying to find the right person to wash my shit. I think he's the one.
That's it, bro. And if you can do it super fresh like that, like you get some fire. Just the
Bro,
longer you wait, the
it's so
darker
good though.
shit.
But like, they have other shit that's cheaper. But like, if you want the best shit,
Yeah.
that's what it is.
Yep.
It's indoor, small batch, stupid fucking fire. You could look
Yeah.
on his page. You know what I mean? Like he grows better than me, and it's that's what it is.
Those are the best testers, bro. People who just have these crazy grows, bro. That do
Yeah.
small batch though, you know?
Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna have him press it and whatever. I just want to get the percentages and see which one of my shit is really dumping, and
Yeah.
fucking. You know, I want to breed with the ones that are dumping more. See if I can't make dumpers
Do
and
like
then
a
grow
hash
those in a
line.
room. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hash line it up and because you get some shit that's going over 5-6%, 8. You're hitting 8%, 10%.
Yeah.
You're making a lot of money now that I'm realizing like, okay, if I can make something that tastes hella good, unique flavor, which I got, and fucking I can make it dump, and fucking people could be killing it out here, making some
Yep.
stupid money on it. Yeah,
Pounds are so stupid cheap here that that's the only way to make money is fucking just having a freeze dryer and fucking making some fucking fire shit.
yeah. This like I've had a lot of rosin and shit, and this is just like, you know, some of the best that I've had.
Oh yeah.
It's just really good. You know what I mean? Like,
Yeah, hell yeah. All
you know,
this
it just
stuff's not all
reeks.
super oily and shit.
And it just reeks.
Hell yeah. Yup.
So yeah, I'm
Running
gonna
some
have him.
coffee shit too. Fucking. Hopefully they don't harm.
Hell yeah, Zach. Just go less new. You just gotta. You can't run seeds like you run clones. I feel like a lot of people. I know you don't do that, but I just feel like a lot of people have problems. They ran a clones for so long, and then they
Yeah.
want to pop these exotic seeds and run them as the same. They've been running the clones at. It's impossible.
Right.
It's impossible.
I pump
Even
so
if
much CO2 in there, bro, that any fucking plant will be happy. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I just herbed one of my plants. It wasn't my strain, but yeah, I just pushed it too hard. I never had it in the grow before, so.
Yeah. I did that shit last year with some shit that I had my shit going in cycles, and I had a perpetual going, so I was pulling 3 pounds every 3 weeks. And then fucking some shit that was in like week 6 threw some shit, and I didn't catch it because it was so much fucking work at the time. And it ruined 2 crops, bro, and the third one
Okay.
was like done, you know what I mean? But it ruined 2 other ones. Fucked it up.
All right. I gotta get off the live.
All right.
I'll catch you guys later.
Later, brother.
Come on. Ah.